Hey everyone, I'm thrilled to be with my good friend and the only person I go to, Jen Armstrong here with Armstrong MD. Now Jen, I know you're always striving to help us look our best.
Yes.
So what promos can you offer my clients and friends today?
Oh, of course. So I can offer half off body treatments, which is a killer deal.
Wow.
Amazing. And then also with hair growth and with our semaglutide global weight loss all over, half off the first month with a 3-month package.
Nice.
Yes.
Well, wonderful. So just, of course, call Dr. Jen's office, Armstrong MD, right in Newport. She's lovely inside and out. Her staff is spectacular. And when you come in, it's kind of got this relaxing feeling, Dr. Jen.
Yes.
I don't know what it is. And you look fantastic. And I love how you walk your own walk or talk or whatever that thing is.
I do all of it.
You do all of it
I
yourself.
do everything in the office to myself.
Yeah.
I wouldn't do it on anyone else unless I would do it myself.
So you can really like her because she's real. That's what I'm saying. Anyway, love you. So give Dr. Jen Armstrong a call and all the specials she's offering today. So go for it. You deserve it.